Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another update here on HEXO. I've covered them a lot here lately. Been trying to lower my cost basis and get that down. The first video I did a while back, due to, I think it was a reverse merger, my cost basis was $17 and something, so you can see I've dropped that quite a bit. But this is HEXO. This is a look at what they've done over the last year, so not too great. Down over 82%. The last 3 months, down over 63%. Last month, down over, we'll just call it 36%. And the last week, down over 11%. And here's a look at today, so it's just down on every level. This is HEXO. Ticker is HEXO. As you can see, I have 80 shares here at $1.69 cost basis. If you don't know much about them, you can watch my other videos. Basically right here, they're in the MJ market. Been around since 2013. Volume today of 5.84 million. Average is 9.25 million with a $278 million market cap. 52-week low of 72 cents and a high of $11.04. And this one's showing a 60% hold on this one. Last earnings, there's a look at their earnings. So it was estimated at minus 8 cents per share, and actual was .0 or minus 0.46. So you can see the difference there. Here's looks like I just tried buying some at 78 cents, and that was canceled. And so just buying a little bit here and there. Nothing too major on this one. I have some more of this one in a retirement. I have quite a few MJ stocks. And this one is shown as a hold here on Bing. Dated here on the 27th. HEXO price now near 78 cents. Daily chart shows downtrend on a 50-day basis. So not too great on this one. The hourly chart shows that HEXO has seen 2 straight down hours. Regarding the trend, note that the strongest trend exists on 100-hour time frame. Of note that that is the 50-hour changed directions on HEXO. It is now pointing down. The moving averages on the hourly time frame suggest a bearishness in price, as the 20, 50, 100, and 200 are all in bearish alignment, meaning the shorter duration moving averages are below the longer duration averages, implying a stable downward trend. HEXO's technical outlook on the daily chart, and here's kind of a look at that, as well as the chart. So just right down the staircase. So just been, if you draw a line through all of that, and so it's just been on a downtrend since August. There's some analyst information. Is now the time to buy HEXO Corp, HEXO stock, and this is again dated on the 27th. So Monday it was dropping, we'll just call it 6% below its previous close. So again, like I said, it just keeps going down. A look at today's price movement shows the recent level at a last check reads 81 cents, with an intraday deals fluctuating between 0.7863 and 0.813. So like I said, I've been trying to buy this one and lower my cost basis definitely, but it just seems like it keeps going down, so I keep watching it, keep buying some when I can. Not a lot, because I'm already in the red on this one, and this looks like all of their analysts are showing this one as a sell. Dated again on the 27th. Don't ignore this blurring warning signal. So the current price is 76 to be very precise. The stock rose vividly during the last session to 0.813. After opening rate of 80 cents, while the lowest price it went was recorded at 0.7863 before closing at 81 cents recently. And news on December 16th, HEXO announces a date of fiscal 2021 annual meeting of shareholders. And I believe on my last video I kind of went over some of that information as well. It talks about the meeting to be held on March 8th of 2022, and this board of directors has fixed the close of business on February 4th of 2022. So if you're in HEXO, you might want to put those dates on your calendar and watch those. HEXO has a pretty dodgy run when it comes to the market performance. The 1-year high price for the company's record is $11.04 on 210, with a lot of other MJ plays also on that date hitting a high, and the lowest value was 7.7550 for the same time recorded on 12/27 of 21. So the full year performance was minus 80.96% or 81%. So this one just keeps going down, just kind of like my other favorite one to hate, Sundial. So HEXO is down 79.1% lower this year to date. Is it still time to buy? So that's the question you have to ask yourself. But if you want a dollar cost average into it, but as you can see, I keep buying and it keeps going down. So the upcoming annual meeting on shareholders is January 31st of 2022, being the later than 6 months after the end of the last financial year. So we'll see what happens on the meeting with this one. Average 2 range is set at 0.09 with the price of the sales ratio of HEXO stock in the period of the last 12 months amounting to 2.39. So not too great on this one. I've covered this, the Molson Coors and HEXO joint venture. I'll link all that in the description. Current over here on StockTwits, currently at 73 cents. 52-week low of, well, this shows 75 and that's 73, so they need to update, and a high of $11.04. Well, this reverse split again. Last year they did. Oh, I'd be screwed if they did. Be in the red again, but at 70 cents, sell below 40 cents. Nice job, genius. Bears never win against me. Shares sell low, minimum, buy the dip. That's what I've been trying to do. But 2,900 at 73 cents. Always like to see that, but just don't want it to go any lower. Here on MSN Money, currently showing as a hold. Here on Tip Ranks, currently at 73 with a moderate sell at 44.81% upside to $1.05. A high of $1.64 and a low of 62 cents. But if you have HEXO, go and list that in the comments, along with your cost basis, any other information you would like to share. And I've gotten some comments on this one saying it's a cartel action. I suppose a lot of these MJ, if you really did some digging, could probably have cartel action, but feel free to comment. It's appreciated, whether it's positive, negative. I mean, we can learn from negative experiences on some of these stocks as well, so that's what it's all about in the comments. Currently low at 72 cents, so we'll watch it, maybe buy some more and lower this again. We shall see. So, but that's it for HEXO. If you have HEXO, leave it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.